Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best RC cars on AliExpress in 2026. From high-speed drift machines to powerful off-road monsters, these RC cars offer crazy performance, awesome handling, and serious fun for every RC enthusiast. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's jump straight into the list. Number 1. JIUSI WB12 Pro 1/12 Brushless RC Car. The JIUSI WB12 Pro is an absolute beast built for speed lovers. This 1/12 scale brushless RC car can hit speeds up to 80 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest RC cars on this list. It features a powerful 4WD system, durable suspension, and aggressive acceleration that feels incredibly smooth during racing and drifting. The brushless motor delivers excellent efficiency and long-lasting performance, while the off-road tires provide solid grip on dirt, gravel, and pavement. Pros: super fast 80 km per hour performance, powerful brushless motor, stable high-speed handling, durable off-road design. If you want premium performance and insane speed, the JIUSI WB12 Pro is easily one of the best RC cars you can buy on AliExpress in 2026. Number 2. 16106 1/16 50 km per hour 4WD RC car. The 16106 RC car is a compact and powerful monster truck designed for exciting off-road action and drifting fun. With speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour, this RC car delivers quick acceleration and responsive controls. The 4WD system improves traction, while the LED lights add a cool look during night driving. Its suspension system absorbs bumps very well, making it great for jumps, rough terrain, and fast cornering. Pros: fast acceleration, great drifting capability, LED lights included, strong off-road performance. For the price, the 16106 offers an excellent combination of speed, durability, and fun driving experience. Number 3. WLtoys 104001 RTR 1/10 RC car. The WLtoys 104001 is one of the most popular budget-friendly RC racing cars available online right now. This 1/10 scale RC car comes with a metal chassis, independent suspension, and a top speed of around 45 kilometers per hour. It handles extremely well on dirt roads, grass, and pavement. The overall build quality feels solid, and the upgrade-friendly design makes it a great choice for beginners who want to improve their RC setup over time. Pros: durable metal construction, smooth suspension system, upgrade-friendly platform, great value for money. The WLtoys 104001 is a balanced RC car that delivers speed, control, and durability at a very reasonable price. Number 4. WLtoys 16101 Pro 1/16 RC car. The WLtoys 16101 Pro is a high-speed mini monster truck capable of reaching speeds up to 75 kilometers per hour. Despite its compact size, this RC car delivers impressive acceleration and responsive steering. The LED lighting system gives it a stylish appearance, while the lightweight design helps improve drifting and maneuverability. It's an exciting RC car for both beginners and experienced users who enjoy fast-paced driving. Pros: very high top speed, compact and lightweight, stylish LED lights, excellent drifting performance. If you want a small RC car with serious speed and fun handling, the WLtoys 16101 Pro is definitely worth checking out. Number 5. WLtoys 104020 1/10 Professional RC car. The WLtoys 104020 is a powerful off-road RC truck built for climbing, dirt racing, and rough terrain adventures. This 1/10 scale vehicle features large off-road tires, 4WD capability, and upgraded suspension for better stability during jumps and high-speed driving. One of its best features is the long runtime, offering up to 45 minutes of driving time. The larger body design also gives it a more realistic and aggressive appearance. Pros: large 1/10 scale design, long battery life, stable off-road handling, beginner-friendly controls. The WLtoys 104020 is a reliable and fun RC truck that offers great performance for casual drivers and off-road enthusiasts. So, that was our list of the top 5 best RC cars on AliExpress in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome gadget and RC reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.